So guys, welcome to Faizan Zahid Academy official YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be very important because in this video I am going to tell you about the number and types of scholarships which are offered in Italy. So watch this video till the end if you really want to know about this information. So first one is merit scholarship. What is merit scholarship? Merit scholarship is the scholarship basically offered by universities of Italy where you get admission, okay? But in Italy, not all the universities offer this scholarship. Only calculated university, or we can say there is a number of universities who provide this scholarship to international students. And who can apply for this scholarship and how to apply for this scholarship? Basically, for the merit scholarship, you do not have to do, mostly you do not have to do anything separately to achieve this scholarship, because when you submit your application form, when you apply for admission, if your profile is strong and if university has a policy to provide this scholarship, and if you lie in their criteria, you can be surely given that scholarship by the university. Okay, so in this, mostly students do not have to do anything separately or do not have to submit any separate application to achieve this merit scholarship. For this, you will have to just apply online for admission, and if you get admission and if university has policy, and if you really are eligible for this scholarship, you will be surely given this scholarship. Okay, so this was merit scholarship. And the second scholarship is regional scholarship, which we also say the governmental scholarship. Basically, in Italy, there are a lot of regions, okay, which offer different universities funding for international students to continue their studies in Italy. Okay, so how to achieve this scholarship and what is the criteria to achieve this scholarship and requirements as well. Basically, for this scholarship, the very first requirement is you will have to get admission from any of the universities in Italy. You must have admission letter of any university in Italy. After that, you will be eligible to apply for this scholarship. And the second requirement is this scholarship, because it's depending on your annual income. So you will have to provide your income details, your annual income details, to achieve this scholarship. And after this, if you will lie in the criteria to achieve this scholarship, you will be surely given this scholarship by government of Italy. And this scholarship also called as need-based scholarship. Okay, so this was the regional scholarship. Here is a very important point which I want to tell you, that there are some universities who has policy that you do not get both scholarship, because both scholarships means the merit scholarship and the regional scholarships. But some universities do not restrict on this, and there you can get both scholarships as well. You can get merit scholarship and regional scholarship both. Okay, but there are some universities also that do not allow you to get both scholarships, and there you will have to just choose that. If you have to get any scholarship, you will have to choose one of them. You get merit scholarship, you cannot get regional scholarship. If you get regional scholarship, you cannot get merit scholarship. But this is the policy of some universities, not for all. Okay, and some university you can get both scholarships as well. Third one is MAECI Scholarship. The Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperations provide this scholarship to international students and also Italian students who lived abroad. And this scholarship is also offered by government of Italy. The students who are pursuing their bachelor's studies are not eligible to get this scholarship. Who can apply for this scholarships? The international students living in Italy and the Italian students who are living abroad are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Students who are willing to apply for this scholarship must be from the eligible countries, because there is the list on their website of the countries. They have mentioned only those countries are eligible, means the students from only those countries can apply for this MAECI scholarship. Okay, The students must hold the appropriate qualification which is required to enroll in any Italian university. Students must not be over 28 years of age by the deadline of call. The students whose course of study is in English have to provide their English language certificate, which should be minimum of B2 level in CEFR. CEFR, we say Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. Self-certification may be valid for the candidates from the countries where the English language is official. And the students whose course of study is in Italian language have to provide the Italian language certificate of B2 level in CEFR. The grants will be awarded on the basis of comparative assessment of the applications according to their entry requirements and other criteria related to applicants' CV. And you cannot get both scholarships, regional and this MAECI scholarship. You cannot get both scholarships. You have to choose only one of them. Okay, if you choose MAECI scholarship, you cannot get regional scholarship, and if you choose regional scholarship, you cannot get MAECI scholarship. So guys, this was today's video.